Hey guys, it's Ropsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to episode 10 of this free Apple Reminders course. You can now add sections to lists and Apple Reminders. To do that, go to the three dots icon and add section. Name the section, and then you can start adding tasks to it by either moving already existing to-dos or adding new ones. You can add as many sections as you like. To toggle your to-dos under your sections, use the down-facing arrow. Lists are the default view for the sections in your lists, but you can change that to the column view. Tapping the three dots icon lets you rename or delete the column. Deleting a column also deletes all your tasks under it. Long pressing your columns and sections lets you rearrange them. You can also toggle your tasks in both views. In the column view, to-dos that don't belong to any column are listed under the Others column. On the list view, they are listed at the bottom of your list without any section. Under the three dots icon, you can manage both columns and sections. This lets you rename or rearrange them. When creating or editing tasks, you can now choose a column or section for it. Go to the inspection icon and choose where you want the task. Tap Done to save the changes. You can also create a new column or section for a task by typing the new name for the column or task. Tap Done to save the changes. Apple also added a new list type for shopping. To add it, go to Add List, pick the type of list you want, then you can name your list, pick a color, icon, all of that, like you do with any other list. Adding items to this shopping list is the same with any other list in the app, except that the app automatically organizes your groceries into different categories, which are effectively sections or columns depending on your view. To help improve the accuracy of your shopping list, you can rename the sections and move your items to the right sections. You can now set early reminders for your date-based reminders under the inspection icon. Go to Early Reminders. For tasks that only have a date without time, you can set an early reminder from daily, weekly, and monthly presets. Under Custom, you get early reminders from as early as a minute to as long as a month before your event. For tasks with a date and time, you can set early reminders from minute and hourly presets as well. But your custom options are the same for those reminders without set time for them. You can use these early reminders as start dates of sorts. And that is all on the changes for Apple reminders in iPadOS 17. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.